If you missed our previous videos, we are converting a truck camper into a travel trailer. Looks like my board held up.
Up front, we got the sidewalls attached to the 2x4s going up the front. The angle is correct now. We've added some boards to go across to hold the roof up, the frame boards. We haven't framed in the hatch yet. It's coming along nicely.
We are now on day 13 of our extreme truck camper makeover. Thank you so much for choosing our video to watch. We're Nikki and Terry. We love to travel and do DIY projects. Join our adventures as we just carry on. Our next DIY project is a truck camper conversion into our own DIY travel trailer. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Here are the roof vents that need to be scraped and then redone. We took the edging off all along the top of the camper.
On the outside here now, we got the 2x4s going up to the bottom of the outside wall. It now attaches the outside edge of the camper all the way down to the 4x4 beam going across, which is also attached to the floor of the camper and bolted down to the trailer. As you can see, we also have plywood down on the lower storage area.
Time to start scraping. None of it was fun. It was really sticky and hard to get off. We are going to be redoing all the butyl with marine grade urethane sealant instead of regular silicone or butyl. It was really hard to keep this long piece stable. Almost there. Let's see if this way is easier.